Hi, and this is over basic networking. So there are four main hardware components of a network. There are the computers, so the laptops, desktops, thermostats, fridges, toasters, everything that's connected to the internet. Everything is connected to some form of switch, which connects all the computers together. Then there's the router, which connects networks together. Typically, it's just from the home to the internet. And then last, there is a firewall, which is a filter, which filters out malicious content. A computer network is a group of two or more computers that are linked together. So there's Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Ethernet cables are made out of copper that connects computers together. It can only be one end going to another end. Wi-Fi is wireless, so there's no Ethernet cables, so multiple devices can connect to one switch or a router. And the farther you're away from the Wi-Fi router, the slower the internet or the connection will be. There is IP addresses, which are the name of the computer, identify who you are. Everything that connects to the internet will need an IP address and has to be unique, meaning that every single computing device has to have a different IP address in the network. IP addresses are four numbers ranging from 0 to 255, separated by periods, and they are needed to access the network. IP addresses are assigned by the switch, so it changes from place to place. So if your IP address at home might be 192.168.1.3, but you go to some place like a school and it might be 10.4.3.7, every place you go, you'll have a different IP address. So how you find your IP address is if you're using a Windows laptop or computer, go down to the very bottom left of your keyboard and find the Windows button, or go down to the very bottom left of the screen and hit the little Windows term. Opens up and type CMD, that stands for command prompt. Hit enter, it opens up a black screen. Type in IP config, it gives you a whole bunch of stuff, but if you go down, there's a little area that says IPv4 address, and if you look at that, it'll give you your IP address. On Macs, you go to the launch pad at the bottom of your screen, you type in terminal, opens up a very similar black screen, and you type in curl ifconfig.me, and it will give you your IP address.